Welcome back to Alright guys, welcome back to this week's vlog. Kind of a change of plans. I had plans to vlog in Vegas for Post Malone. Fortunately, because of the coronavirus situation, Post Malone was postponed or canceled at the moment. What better, I guess, opportunity to work on my car. So this week's vlog is going to be repaint protecting the doors and the panels and getting all that prepped up and finished. Hopefully that's the plan. While all the other parts are starting to trickle in, while we wait for them, everything to arrive, hopefully we can get all this done. So follow along, you guys. So we're going to start out with the door first. We're going to take off all the door panels so I can get the mirror off. We'll paint protect it. Let's go. Let's check it out. As you can see in the time lapse there, that was quite a bit of work to do just to get the door panel off and get to the mirror. So many bolts, a couple plugs, but yeah, now it's time to double check everything, make sure that all the adhesive is off, anything left over, polish it up, and then repaint protect it. All right, follow along. Pretty good progress, guys. Door didn't take as long as I anticipated. All paint protected, ready to go. Door panels are all back on. Everything's all double checked. Window rolls up and down, mirrors fold in. Pretty happy with it. On to the next one. So I'm gonna do the hindquarter this time. Same thing, I'm gonna prep it up, double check everything, and then yeah, put the paint protection on. With some of these bigger jobs, it takes two guys. Makes it a lot easier. Sure. No, we can't. Because the other ones didn't even show up yet, eh? Jeremy's in them.
It's Omar.
Omar who? Up to you. No, you can. Well, whatever time. I'm here. I don't know. I'm struggling right now. And I'm recording too. No matter you're talking to me and this and that. Just whatever. Just book it in. Alright guys, that was a pretty tough one. Struggled on the first one here, found my bearing. The driver's side just went flawless. Really happy with the results. So Johnny kind of held me accountable, said my side was kind of unacceptable. Had a couple of stretch marks that he knew that I wouldn't be happy with in the future. That would probably just bother the crap right out of me. So I ended up redoing it with Josh. Turned out fantastic. So what I did was come on out here, I'll show you guys. So what we did was we ended up wrapping all the edges. You can see where it ends. So basically when I put the bumper back on, you won't see any lines. Wrapped it all the way inside the gas cap here too. It's all inside there. So from the outside looking in, it looks like there's nothing there. It looks like paint. We wrapped it all inside the seams here. All the weather stripping. So inside here too, you guys. Down inside here, all wrapped in. But what an amazing job, you guys. What a big difference. And super happy with it. Guys, thanks for following along with me, and I'm happy that you guys get to see some of my work. Yeah, kind of excited to waiting for all the SPL parts to come in. Once it arrives, keep you guys posted. And yeah, we're gonna do those installs and see what else comes along. Summer's just around the corner, guys. So kind of excited to get it back on the road and see how this new suspension parts work out for me. All right, guys, so that's pretty much sums up this week's vlog. Paint protection, get it done. If you love your vehicle like I love mine, paint protection is the way to go. Wrap the whole car. Putting paint protection on just saves it from getting scratches, paint chips, any kind of road debris. Just keeps your car looking new for pretty much the life of the vehicle. You know, honestly, if you do it right or you find the right shop to do it, you won't even notice that it's on your vehicle. Your car will look shiny. Do you guys research? The brand that I went with is LLumar. The series is Platinum. 10-year guarantee. Blah, 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 scratch resistant and all that stuff, just like the industry standard now. Beyond that, customer service, LLumar is the best. Go with them. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this week's vlog. Give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. See you then.